Hi everyone, this is Michelle from GCE Education Hub. Today we'll be learning about matrix multiplication. So let's go! Okay, so when students generally do matrix multiplication, they do not understand how to perform it correctly because they don't tend to know some of the small details inside the matrix multiplication. So we're gonna now do the matrix multiplication, all right? But before doing that, okay, our first step is always to find the order of the matrix. A reason being because this will help us to find our resulting matrix. So how do you read, okay, to get the order? So always remember is row by column. Alternatively, you can also look at it in the form of L, okay? So what do I mean? So if you're looking at the first one, can you see that there's one value here and two value here? So there's one row and two columns. So this is a 1 by 2 matrix. If you look at the second one, there's 3 numbers here and 2 numbers here. So there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, and lastly, all right, you have a 2 by 3 matrix. So this will help us to find the resulting matrix, all right, which I'll show you here. So step 2, all right, we need to find the order, okay, of the final matrix where we do the multiplication. Okay, so let's look at an example. So let's say if I have this matrix here, so recall how we do the order of the matrix. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix, and this is a 3 by 1 matrix. Before you do any matrix multiplication, always ensure that the number inside, okay, are the same. Okay, if not, you're not able to do a matrix multiplication. The order of the final matrix will be the value outside, which is 2 by 1. Okay, so I'll tell my student to actually just write down, this here, 2 by 1, all right, and put 2 lines here so that you remember that you're actually finding 2 numbers and not like 3 or any other number. Okay, so this is why we do the order of the matrix first. So we're going to now get the first value, all right, which is this one here. All right, how do you do this? Okay, then I'll tell my student to remember the 7 framework, okay, because the multiplication actually looks like a 7. So how does it work? Okay, we're going to take the row, all right, multiply by the column. So you can see that the number in each row and columns are the same. So to get the first number, all right, it will be 2 times 4 plus 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2, all right, which gives you 12. All right, and then the next number, all right, it's, you go down, the next row multiply by the same column, all right, which gives you 1 times 4 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2, all right, which gives you 8. Okay, sorry, the number here should be 20, okay. Okay, so you can see that at the end of the day, I have my matrix multiplication. All right, we're going to do one more example. All right, so let's look at the order. So this is a 1 by 2 matrix, and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. All right, so our resulting matrix will be 1 by 2. So 1 row, 2 columns. So it will look like this. All right, so to get the first value, okay, which is this one, right, remember 7, so we're going to take this times this. So 2 times 5 plus 1 times 1, which is equal to 11. All right, and then to get the second value, okay, it will be this times this, all right, which will be 2 times 4 plus 1 times 7, which is equal to 15. So this is how you do matrix multiplication. So this is how you perform matrix multiplication. If you find the content we are sharing useful, remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.